For centuries, cultures around the world have treasured a special gift from nature castor oil. This versatile oil has been used in various forms, from medicinal applications to beauty treatments, showcasing its wide range of benefits. This incredible oil, derived from the castor bean, holds a legacy of healing and wellness. Its rich history is a testament to its enduring value across different civilizations. From ancient Egyptians who used it for medicinal and cosmetic purposes to traditional Indian medicine, where it is a staple for its remarkable properties, castor oil has been cherished for generations. Today, we rediscover the power of this natural elixir and its potential to enhance our health and well-being. Modern science continues to uncover new uses and benefits of castor oil, making it a valuable addition to contemporary wellness routines. Let's delve into the world of castor oil and uncover its secrets. From its origins to its modern-day applications, there's much to explore about this fascinating oil. Castor oil comes from the castor bean plant, scientifically known as Ricinus communis. This plant has been cultivated for thousands of years for its valuable oil. This plant thrives in warm climates and has large, distinctive leaves. Its ability to grow in diverse environments has contributed to its widespread use. The beans themselves are encased in spiky pods, adding to the plant's unique appearance. These pods protect the beans until they are ready to be harvested. Interestingly, while the raw beans contain a potent toxin called ricin, the oil extracted through a specialized process is generally safe for use. This careful extraction ensures that the beneficial properties of the oil are preserved while eliminating the harmful components. Castor oil is a vegetable oil, meaning it comes from plants. Extracted from the seeds of the castor plant, this oil has been used for centuries. It's made up of fatty acids, primarily a unique one called ricinoleic acid. This acid is not commonly found in other oils. This special acid gives castor oil its remarkable properties, making it highly effective in various applications. Setting it apart from other oils like olive oil or coconut oil. While those oils are beneficial, castor oil offers unique advantages. These properties make castor oil beneficial for our skin, hair, and even our internal health. It can be used as a moisturizer, a hair conditioner, and even a laxative. When we understand the composition of castor oil, we can appreciate how it interacts with our bodies. Its molecular structure allows it to penetrate deeply into the skin and hair. The high concentration of ricinoleic acid acts as a humectant, drawing moisture to the skin and hair. This helps to keep them hydrated and healthy. It also exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, soothing irritation, and promoting healing. This makes it an excellent remedy for skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. These characteristics make castor oil a versatile remedy for various ailments. From skin care to hair care and even digestive health, castor oil is truly a natural wonder. Castor oil has earned a reputation as a beauty secret for its remarkable effects on the skin. Its humectant properties make it a powerful moisturizer, attracting and retaining moisture to keep the skin hydrated and supple. This is particularly beneficial for dry, flaky skin or areas prone to roughness, such as elbows and knees. Beyond hydration, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe irritated skin. It can calm redness, itching, and inflammation associated with conditions like eczema and dermatitis. Some people even find it helpful in reducing the appearance of scars and stretch marks by promoting skin regeneration. Hair hero, castor oil for luscious locks. Just as castor oil works wonders on the skin, it also benefits our hair. This versatile oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various hair issues. Its unique composition nourishes the scalp and hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. The nutrients in castor oil penetrate deep into the scalp, providing essential vitamins and minerals. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil is believed to improve blood circulation to the scalp, encouraging hair follicles to enter the growth phase. This increased blood flow ensures that hair follicles receive the oxygen and nutrients they need. Castor oil's moisturizing properties also combat dryness and breakage, leaving hair soft and manageable. Regular use can help to repair damaged hair and prevent split ends. It can even add shine and luster to dull hair, making it a natural alternative to commercial hair care products. The oil forms a protective barrier on the hair shaft, locking in moisture and enhancing shine. Whether dealing with hair loss, dryness, or simply seeking healthier hair, castor oil offers a natural solution. Its benefits are numerous, making it a must-have in your hair care routine. Castor oil for gut health. While often celebrated for its external benefits, castor oil also possesses remarkable properties that can aid our internal health, particularly our digestive system. For centuries, it has been used as a traditional remedy for constipation. Castor oil acts as a stimulant laxative, promoting bowel movements. It's important to note that castor oil should be used cautiously and in moderation for digestive issues. It's essential to consult a healthcare professional before using castor oil for constipation or other digestive concerns, especially if pregnant, nursing, or have pre-existing medical conditions. Section 6. Castor oil safety, addressing toxin concerns. Castor oil, when extracted properly, is generally safe for use. However, addressing concerns about ricin, the toxic protein found in raw castor beans, is crucial. The process of extracting oil from castor beans effectively removes ricin, making the oil safe for topical and, in controlled amounts, internal use. Reputable manufacturers follow strict safety protocols to ensure ricin is eliminated during extraction. Always choose castor oil from trusted sources to minimize risks. If you have any concerns about using castor oil, consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional. Embrace nature's elixir, castor oil for wellness. Castor oil stands as a testament to the power of natural remedies. From ancient practices to modern applications, this versatile oil offers a range of benefits for our skin, hair, and overall well-being. Embracing natural solutions like castor oil allows us to connect with the healing power of nature. As we've explored, castor oil provides a natural approach to enhancing our health and beauty routines. Why not experience the remarkable benefits of this ancient elixir for yourself? Explore the world of castor oil and discover how this natural treasure can become a staple